Good morning, student. Today in class 10th, we are going to solve the problems of exercise, as you can see here, exercise 5.2. As you can see, in this exercise, first question is fill in the blanks. The question is that fill in the blanks with the following uh, table given that A is the first term and D is the common difference and A nth is the nth term of AP. So we have to find out here. The question is given, as you can see in the first one, that is the 7. A first term is given here, that is the 7. Second common difference is D is equal to 3, and nth term, that is the term, nth term is 8. So we have got to find out the value of nth term, that is the nth term value. The second question, as you can see here, that is in second questions, that is the A is as you can see here, A is given, that is minus 18, D is blank, and the N is 10, and nth term is 0. So we have to find the common difference here. As you can see here, the common difference, as you can see. Now in we are going to solve the problems here. We are going to solve the problem here. As you can see here, the question is given that the first question, the we have to find out the value of nth term. So as you can see here, nth term value is we have find out, that is we have put the value of the A, that is the A equal to 7, and then nth value is that A nth value, that is n value is given 8. So the as you can see here, 8 minus 1 multiplied by 3, that is the 7 multiplied by 3, that is 7 multiplied by 3, that is we get 7 plus 21, that is 28. So nth term, that is nth value of eighth term is 28. Now second question, we have to find the value of the D. So how to find out the value of the D? As you can see, value of D we will find out where a nth plus a plus n minus 1d, the formula is given here. So value of the nth term is 0. So we have put the a equal to minus 18 and plus 10 minus 1, that is the 10th term value is we have to find out the common difference. The value of 10th term is given 0, and the term, that is n term, equal to 10. So 10 minus 1 equal to into D. So we get the 18 equal to 18, that is I can see here 18 as you can see. So 18 equal to 9D, so the D equal to 2. Now similarly we can solve the other problems of the exercise. So question number 3, as you can see here, the value we have find out the uh, uh, first term, that is I can see here the first, that is the first term, value of first term is 46. As you can see, we have put the value of the nth term, that is an nth term is 18. So we have put the value of 18th term, that is minus 5, and first term we have to find out. So by putting the value, we have got the first term equal to 46. Now in second questions, that is the we are going to solve the problem third, question number third, that is the in the this flowing AP, find the missing term in the box. So we have to find out the missing term in the box. As you can see here, that is the in first question. So the first term is a, that is 2, second term is blank, and the third term is 26. So we can write the first term, second term, and third term with the help of the formula, that is you know, that is the first term is a equal to 2, second term we can write a plus d, and third term we can write, that is the a plus 2d. Now a equal to 2 and a plus 2d equal to 26, we can write it, and the 2 plus 2d equal to 26, or 2d equal to 24, you can see here. So d equal to, as you can see, d equal to 12. So missing term equal to, we can find out missing term, that is missing term is 14. As you can see here, missing term is 14. Now second question, the first term is not given, and the second term is 13, and the fourth term is not given, and then fifth term is fourth term is the first term is not given, second term is 13, third term is not given, fourth term is 3. So we have to solve the problems in similarly. we can solve the other problems. As you can see here, I am solving here. As you can see, that is the first term is not given, second term is 13, and third term is not given, fourth term is 3. So we can write that a, as you can see here, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d. So a plus d equal to 13 and a plus 3d equal to 3. So we will find here the two equations, and we have to find out two value, that is a and d. So we got the a, d equal to minus 10 or d equal to 5. So putting the value of the d in 1, we get the a equal to, that is 18. Now missing term, that is the r, 18, as we can write down 18s, and that is last term, that is the, as you can see, 18 plus 2d, that is the, we will get, that is 8. So fourth term will be 8. Now as you can see, the question is given here, question number third. First we have solved the third one. Now here 5 blank blank and then 9 1 by 2. So we can write a plus d, as you can see, a plus d, a plus 2d, and a plus 3d. Now a equal to 5, as you can see here the figure, a equal to 5, and second term, that is the, and fourth term is a plus 3d. So that is 19 by 2, as you can write. So from 1 and 2 we can get, subtracting 1 and 2, putting the value of 1 and 2, given from 3d equal to 19 by 2, or d equal to 3 by 2, as you can see here, 3 by 2, as you can see, 3 by 2. Now terms, missing term of a plus d, and that is a plus 3 by 2. So we will get a equal to 3 by 2, as you can see here, that is 5 plus 1 by 2, that is 6 by 1 by 2, as you can get. And now that is the 2d, a plus 2d equal to, you can see, a plus 2d equal to, that is the value is given here, as you can see, that is the a plus 2d equal to, as you can see, a plus 2d equal to 8. So today class is over. Thank you. In next class we will solve the other problems.